Imagine holding the ultimate power of a desktop computer in the palm of one hand, a device so compact yet so capable that it completely redefines what portable computing means. No bulk, no compromise, just pure unadulterated performance packed into a form factor that slips effortlessly into your daily life. For years, the tech world has treated the iPad mini like a forgotten middle child, overshadowed by its more glamorous siblings. We have watched the Pro models receive the cutting-edge M-series chips, the Air line evolve with sleek redesigns, and the base model become more affordable for the masses. Meanwhile, the Mini sat quietly in the corner, appreciated by a loyal niche but rarely pushed to its true potential. But now, whispers from Cupertino are growing louder, and everything is about to change. The iPad Mini 8 is not just another routine update, it is shaping up to be a full-blown reckoning. This is the moment where Apple Inc. may finally unleash the true potential of its smallest tablet and flip the entire tablet market on its head. What makes this upcoming device so exciting is not just incremental improvements, but a fundamental shift in philosophy. The iPad mini has always occupied a unique and almost cult-like space within the Apple ecosystem. It is the go-to device for pilots who need quick access to navigation charts, for doctors who rely on instant data at their fingertips, and for gamers who find smartphones too cramped but larger tablets too cumbersome. Despite its versatility, it often felt like Apple was holding it back, limiting its capabilities just enough to protect its higher-end models. Issues like jelly scrolling and outdated display technology served as constant reminders that the Mini was never meant to steal the spotlight. But that narrative is about to be rewritten in a dramatic way. With the iPad Mini 8, the shackles are finally coming off. This is expected to be the first Mini that truly bridges the gap between portability and power without compromise. At the core of this transformation lies the silicon, the beating heart of the device. In previous generations, the Mini typically received a slightly toned-down version of the latest iPhone chip. That approach is no longer sustainable in a world increasingly driven by artificial intelligence and advanced computing demands. The push toward on-device AI processing has raised the bar significantly, requiring more powerful neural engines, better thermal efficiency, and higher transistor counts. The rumors suggest that Apple might leap ahead by skipping incremental upgrades and introducing a chip that rivals or even matches some of its more powerful devices. This is not just about faster app launches or smoother multitasking. The implications go far beyond that. We are talking about real-time video rendering, advanced generative AI capabilities, and console-quality gaming experiences running seamlessly on a device that fits in one hand. Imagine editing high-resolution videos on the go without lag, generating complex AI-driven content instantly, or playing AAA titles like never before on a tablet this small. This level of performance could redefine expectations for mobile devices entirely. Of course, raw power means little if the display cannot keep up, and this is where the iPad Mini 8 is expected to make its boldest statement yet. For years, users have been asking for ProMotion technology to make its way to the Mini lineup. A 120 Hz refresh rate would transform the user experience, making every scroll buttery smooth and every interaction feel instantaneous. Apple has traditionally reserved this feature for its Pro models, but increasing competition from high-end Android tablets and foldable devices may finally force a change. Even more exciting are the rumors of an OLED panel, which would bring deeper blacks, richer colors, and significantly improved contrast. Combined with higher brightness levels, this would make the device far more usable in outdoor environments, enhancing its appeal for professionals and casual users alike. Display improvements do not stop there. Apple is also expected to address past issues like jelly scrolling by introducing a redesigned display controller. This could eliminate the subtle distortions that have plagued previous models and provide a more consistent, premium viewing experience. For digital artists and content consumers, this would turn the iPad Mini 8 into an almost perfect canvas, blending portability with visual excellence in a way that no other device currently offers. When it comes to design, Apple is known for its philosophy of refinement rather than radical change, and the iPad Mini 8 is likely to follow that approach. However, subtle tweaks can make a significant difference. Thinner bezels could increase screen real estate without altering the overall size, while a more refined aluminum finish would enhance the premium feel. Perhaps the most important change, though, lies beneath the surface. Thermal management has always been a challenge for smaller devices due to limited space for heat dissipation. The new Mini is rumored to feature an advanced internal layout, possibly incorporating materials like graphene or improved vapor chamber cooling systems. This would allow the device to maintain peak performance for longer periods without overheating or throttling. For gamers, this is a game changer. The ability to play demanding titles for extended sessions without the device becoming uncomfortably hot could position the iPad Mini 8 as one of the best portable gaming machines on the market. It is not just about performance anymore. It is about sustained performance, and that is where the real breakthrough lies. Then there is the Apple Pencil, an accessory that has always felt perfectly suited for the Mini. The compact size of the device makes it ideal for note-taking, sketching, and quick annotations. With improved display technology and reduced latency, the writing and drawing experience could become even more natural and responsive. This could solidify the Mini's position as the ultimate digital notebook, a device that seamlessly blends creativity and productivity. Beyond hardware, software will play a crucial role in defining the iPad Mini 8 experience. With the growing emphasis on AI-driven features, we can expect deeper integration of intelligent tools that enhance everything from productivity to entertainment. Whether it is smarter multitasking, more intuitive user interfaces, or advanced content creation tools, the software ecosystem will likely evolve alongside the hardware to deliver a truly next-generation experience. All of these elements combined point to a single conclusion. The iPad Mini 8 is not just another tablet. It is a statement. It represents a shift in how we think about small devices, proving that size no longer dictates capability. If the rumors hold true, this could be the device that finally brings desktop-level power to a truly portable form factor without compromise. It is not just an upgrade. It is a transformation that could reshape the entire tablet landscape and force competitors to rethink their strategies. The era of underpowered compact tablets may be coming to an end, and leading that charge could very well be the smallest iPad ever made.